Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving headfirst into a science-backed blueprint that's going to totally transform your daily routine. Look, if you've ever felt like your days are controlling you rather than the other way around, well, the solution usually hides right there in your first waking hours. So let's unpack exactly how to build a morning that actually sets you up for an amazing day. Right off the bat, we've got to ask, do you want to stay physically and mentally healthy for the long haul? Because mastering your morning is honestly the most straightforward path to unlocking that long-term wellness. Research constantly points out that we are fundamentally creatures of habit, and nailing those habits from the precise moment you wake up, it doesn't just make you feel good for a couple of hours, it completely shifts your entire health trajectory. Here is our roadmap for the perfect morning routine. 1. Starting the day right. 2. Keeping the body active and fresh. 3. Eating a nutritious and healthy breakfast. 4. Finding mental peace and focus. And 5. Final preparation for a successful day. Let's jump in. Phase 1. Starting the day right. It all starts with your body clock, your internal biological rhythm. Making sure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep is absolutely non-negotiable. But here's the real trick. You need to wake up at the exact same time every single day. Doing this perfectly locks in that internal rhythm. It totally prevents that awful morning grogginess we all hate, and instead it gives you this reliable, steady surge of natural energy. So, step 1, you wake up consistently. Then, step 2, immediately after opening your eyes, grab 1 to 2 glasses of room temperature water. This is so crucial. Think about it. Your body just went without liquids for 8 entire hours. So drinking water rehydrates your system and kickstarts your digestive process. It's essentially like turning your internal engine on for the day. Phase 2. Keep the body active and fresh. The magic numbers here are 20 to 30. Investing just 20 to 30 minutes into light exercise, we're talking a brisk walk, a light jog, or even just some solid stretching, massively boosts your blood circulation. It provides an undeniable sense of all-day freshness and tells your cardiovascular system, hey, the day has officially begun. Next up, you want to get outside for 10 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight. This is a brilliant dual-purpose habit. First off, the sun exposure lets your body produce vital vitamin D. But second, and I find this incredibly fascinating, getting sunlight in your eyes first thing in the morning directly protects your nighttime sleep rhythm. It literally ensures that when night falls, your body actually knows it's time to sleep. Moving on to phase 3, nutritious and healthy breakfast. To really nourish your body, you want to load up on complex, energy-sustaining foods. Go for things like eggs, oats, fresh fruits, milk, yogurt, nuts, and whole grains. But on the flip side, you've got to avoid sugary, oily junk food. If you load up on excess oil and sugar, your energy is going to crash instantly, and you'll completely destroy the momentum you just built up with your hydration and exercise. Phase 4. Mental peace and focus. All right, be honest. How often do you grab your phone and check social media the exact second you wake up? It's such a common trap, but it completely hijacks your day's mood. Instead, try trading that immediate screen time for just 5 to 10 minutes of prayer, meditation, or deep breathing. Making that one small swap dramatically reduces your baseline stress levels and sharply increases your focus for the hours ahead. It is a total game changer. And that brings us to phase 5, final preparation for a successful day. Never underestimate the psychological power of personal hygiene. Taking the time to brush your teeth, wash your face and hands, take a shower, and put on clean clothes, it actually does way more than just make you presentable. It acts as a physical trigger to your brain. It smoothly transitions your mindset from relaxing at home straight into ready to conquer the day. Before you step out the door, remember this key piece of advice. Write down the important tasks of the day. This ensures proper time use and reduces stress. Seriously, putting your daily plan on paper optimizes your time by giving you crystal clear direction. It instantly removes that crushing pressure of unorganized work, completely freeing up your mental bandwidth so you can actually execute your tasks. So, looking at how this all connects into one chronological flow, you wake up and hydrate to set your clock. Then, you activate your body with exercise and sun. Next, you nourish yourself with a healthy breakfast. Then you center your minds by breathing instead of grabbing your phone. And finally, you plan your tasks and wash up. It's a step-by-step ladder to your absolute peak daily performance. Mastering your morning doesn't require day one perfection, okay? It's all about positive changes that compound over time to better your physical and mental health. So I want to leave you with this one question to think about. Out of everything we just explored, which of these habits will you start building tomorrow morning?